Coronavirus cases are rising in mainland China, with 121 deaths recorded in just the last 24 hours. 6 health workers have died and over 1,700 have been infected. Hubei province, the epicenter of the outbreak, recorded more than 5,000 new cases, taking the total number of cases to over 64,000. Japan has confirmed its first death in Kanagawa near Tokyo. It is the third death outside mainland China, after 2 others in Hong Kong and the Philippines. Let's look at the numbers. There has been a huge increase in the number of new cases, with over 15,000 people diagnosed with the virus since Wednesday. China fired 2 top officials in Hubei province hours after those new figures were released. Officials had thought the outbreak was stabilizing, but the new cases and deaths in the province have pushed the national death toll above 1,380. But the WHO says the latest figures should be taken into context.
We've seen this spike in the number of cases reported in China, but this does not represent a significant change in the trajectory of the outbreak. We have said consistently that we need to be cautious when drawing conclusions from daily reported numbers. I think we were having that discussion yesterday, and I think the numbers today speak to that. We need to be very careful when interpreting any extremes, be it in incubation periods, be it in daily numbers. We must take all numbers into account. We must look at all numbers seriously, but we also must try and interpret what those numbers mean and not react directly to the number itself.